Yeah, looks like we're going nice and straight. Perfect. Hi guys, a little bit of 3D printing. We can stop the time lapse. Yeah, what do you think that one is? A little suggestion by Doc Inc. Right, what we need to do is find... I think we can turn that light off as well. Find one of my existing rubber band cars. This one, which at the moment, it's got a mouse trap on it. But that one is going to have that bit on it. We'll go downstairs and see if we can get it working. Obviously the title of this video is probably giving it away. Right, so tell you about that in a minute. This was a rubber band powered car that I then converted it so I could demonstrate mousetrap power. And Doc Inc. commented, had I done a Hacksaw Blade powered car? Now, I don't think I have. I'm pretty sure I didn't. I did one that was powered by a credit card using the same principle. We're using the springiness of the blade to give us some tension, some power. I've done spring powered cars, coiled spring. I have it in the back of my mind I might have done one. Say credit card, did the same thing, just with a credit card, bending that to give us the power. I did buy this ruler in Poundland, specifically to do a spring powered car. I was going to bend that right over and use that to power it, but I don't think I ever did it. It's got a bit of a bend in it, as though I might have done it, but I don't think I did. So I might still do that, now that Doc Inc. has reminded me. I think he said he's seen some videos using them, so I thought I'd better do one. So that is what that is for. That is just one of those pieces, stretched a bit, with a slot in it, so I don't suppose it really matters which way I do it, but that will fit in there. There's a hole in it there to match up with that, so I can put something through there just to hold it in place. And then if I mount it up this end somewhere, tie a bit of string to that to bend it back, and use that to spin the back wheels. So first thing we've got to do is get this apart, and hopefully I haven't glued it. No, that's okay. I've got to get this fella down. Yeah, that will work its way down, but I won't bore you by making you watch it. Yeah, that's going to take me a few seconds to work that down. But I'll get that off and we'll try it with the hacksaw spring. Actually, that's coming off easier than I thought it would. Right, that went on rather nicely. Quite proud of that. So I've got a bit of kite string here. I'll put that through the hole. And through itself. Okay. At this end. Hook it on there. Wind it up. Oh, something slipped. Looks like it might work. We'll put it on the floor and find out. Well, that worked well. Got plenty of tension left. I bet that would almost go back the other way. Not quite. I suppose if I gave it a push it would, but obviously we've got less tension now that it's nearly straight. So we'll wind it up again. So we can have the other direction. Well, we moved the chair, didn't we? Well, that works. I'll just see if I can hit the camera with it. Yeah, looks like we're going nice and straight. Perfect. So, 100% success. thanks to Doc Inc. There'll be a link in the video description to Doc's channel.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.